steel begins its journey as scrap metal. Old cars, demolished buildings, and industrial waste are carefully sorted and prepared for melting.
Every day, tons of scrap are processed here, destined for the molten steel furnaces.
Inside massive furnaces, temperatures rise above 1,100 degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, solid metal transforms into glowing liquid steel. Impurities are removed, chemical composition is adjusted. And the molten steel is refined for strength and consistency. This purified liquid steel is now ready to be shaped into its first solid form.
In the scrapyard and molten steel preparation area, the solidified slabs are moved along the factory rail system.
Water sprays rapidly cool the surface, turning liquid metal into solid slabs. Molten steel flows into water-cooled copper molds. Here, the outer shell solidifies instantly, while the core remains hot.
The continuous casting process is the heart of the steel plant, transforming molten metal into solid slabs.
The slabs are cut to precise lengths and prepared for further processing.
Using industrial gauges, the dimensions of the glowing steel slab are precisely measured, ensuring quality control in the continuous casting process.
Section: Continuous casting and slab preparation.
Solid steel slabs are reheated in large furnaces until they glow red hot. This makes the steel soft enough to reshape without melting. High-pressure water jets remove surface scale. Then the slabs pass through massive rolling machines. With each pass, the steel becomes thinner, longer, and stronger.
With each pass, the geometry becomes more defined, a dance of fire and immense mechanical force.
Special shaping rollers gradually form the familiar I-beam profile used in construction.
Section: cooling, cutting, and straightening.
Freshly rolled beams move onto cooling beds. As they cool, their strength and internal structure stabilize. Automated saws cut each beam to exact length. Straightening machines correct even the smallest bends. Every beam must meet strict dimensional standards. Each beam is carefully inspected for size, straightness, and surface quality. Advanced testing ensures internal integrity. Approved beams are marked with grade and identification numbers. Finally, beams are bundled, lifted by cranes, and loaded onto trucks. They are now ready to become part of buildings, bridges, and infrastructure around the world.